Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Come with me, let's prepare a very quick dinner together. For today, I'm going to prepare cabbage stew and meat. Yes, and it's very simple. So, I have my meat here, which I've already washed and seasoned, and I'm going to put this in the pot and allow it to cook for some time. Then we'll prepare the stew together. I have in my onion and garlic inside, so I'm going to allow this to cook. Okay, so while the meat is cooking, let me show you the ingredients that I'm going to use for the cabbage stew. So we have our cabbage here, of course, the star of the show. I have my onions, tomato sauce, and tomato paste.